second next last part, that to find the cube root. How we find that cube root? See here, example is that first example they will given your book that find the cube root of 216. आपल्याला काय करायचं आता 216 ह्याच्यासाठी क्यूब रूट काढायचं आहे. हाऊ वी राईट दॅट cube root of 216? We write that in this form, cube root 216. So that we factorize that all cube root 3 of that 2 into 2 into 2 or 3 into 3 into 3. We can write that the factorization of that 216 means that cube root of 216, we write that cube root of that 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3 means that 2 and multiplication of that 2 is the 3 time and 3 is the 3 time. Then again we can write that in root 2 3 means that here cube and that all cube and square root will be get cancelled, means we can write that 2 into 3 means that answer is 6. So in this way we can find out that cube root of 216. So that practice set 3.2 will be continued. Yes, in practice set 3.3, that first question is that find the cube root of the following number. First number they will be given here 8000. आपल्याला काय करायचं, 8000 ची काय क्यूब रूट आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. आपल्याला क्यूब रूट काढण्यासाठी पाहायचं हाऊ राईट दॅट we find out that cube root of 8000. So write that without that having 8000 cube root, we use this method. This is a very easy method. So see, in that we'll divide that 8000 to that having 4000 means 2, means again that's having 2000, 2 means again that's having 1000, 2 ones are 2 means again that's having 500, 2s are 1000, and again 250, 2s are 500. Now again that 125 2s are 250, and again we find out now this 125 is odd number. We can divide this number into odd number, means which odd number that's having 25 5s are 125 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5, means this in this way we can solve that. Means we write that this number cube root of 8000 is in this way, that cube root of how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 means that 2 multiplication of 2 is a 6 time, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means this is a 6 time, and 5 is a 3 time, again 5 into 5 into 5. Now we can make a pair of 3 group of 3 of 2, and this is a pair. We can make first pair, then we can write that 3 into root 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. In this way root square cube and square root cube root will be get cancelled, that 2 into 2 into 5, and what is the answer, that 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20, means our answer is that root 2000 root cube root of 8000 is 20. अशा प्रकारे इथं काय आपल्याला करायचं आणि इथं खाली लिहायचं आहे आपल्याला. We write down that below side that cube root of 8000 is 20. Second example is 729. We find out that cube root of 729. Now this 729 is the odd number, means we divide this 729 with 3. means that 2 3s are 6, then 4 3s are 12, then 3 3s are 9, then again 81 3s are what, 243, then 27 3s are 81, then 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27, and then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3, means that a pair of that 3 3s are 2 pairs, means that we write that here, that cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, means that a pair of that 2 pair will be here form, then cube root of 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3, means that cube and cube root will be get cancelled, then 3 into 3 means that 3 3s are 9. Our answer is that 3 3s are 9, means we write that cube root of 729 is a 9, means we write that cube root of 729 is 9. Now next example, that third example, we show that 343. We find out that the cube root of 343. Again that 343 is that odd number. We divide that with 7, not 1, not 3, that not 5, and that directly we can divide that 7. Means that 4 7s are 28, then 9 7s are, then 49 7s are 340, then 7 7s are 49, and again 7 1s are 7, means that the cube root of 343 is cube root of 7 into 7 into 7, means that 7 cube root of 7 cube, means that cube and cube root we can cancel, and answer is that 7, means that cube root of 343 is 7, means we write that cube root of 343 is 7. In this way we solve. Yes, next example is minus 512, means cube root of minus 512 we find out. So minus 512 will be divide that number with that 2, means that 256 2s are 512, means that 128 2s are 256, then 64 2s are 128, again 32 2s are 32 2s are that 64, again 16 2s are 32, again 8 2s are 16, then 4 2s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. In this way that a pair of that 3, means that this pair, this one pair, this one pair, and this one pair, means that having 2 2s, that 3 pairs will be formed here. We write down that 500 minus 512. So see here minus 512. So first that we write here minus all that's having minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, then again minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, then again 1 2 3 1 2 3, and again minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, means pair of that's having 3, means we write that minus 2 minus 2, write that minus 2 cube here, again minus 2 cube here, again minus 2 cube, means that we write that minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 whole cube, means we find out that minus 512 is equal to minus 2 minus 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, means minus 8 cube, means that cube root of minus 512 is equal is minus 8, means we write that the cube root of minus 512 is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. 200 minus 2744 means 2744. That we find out that the cube root of minus 2744. So first of all we divide this number 744. We divide this number by 2. That is the 13 2s are 26, and that's having 7 2s are 14, and that 2 2s are 4, and again that's having 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, that 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, that's having 6 2s are 12, means 686, and again that 3 2s are 6, and 4 2s are 8, and 3 2s are 6. Again this number is odd, we can take that's having odd number, that is a 4 7s are 28, and 9 7s are that's having again 7 7s are 49, and 7 1s are 7. In this way that's having group of that 2 is 1, and 7 is 1. Means we can write that here. First we take that plus 2744, that's having 2 into 2 into 2, and 7 into 7 into 7, means pair of 2 is a 3, and pair of 7 is a 3. Then minus 2744 we write that, or that minus we take that having these 2 are minus in minus, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and remaining that as it is 7 into 7 into 7, means that this minus 2 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3, means that we write that minus 2 into 7 raised to 3, means that 7 2s are 14, means that minus 14 raised to 3, means cube root will get cancelled. That our answer is that minus 14, means that having minus cube root of minus 2744 is a minus 14, means write that cube root of minus 2744 is minus 14. Last example is minus 32,768. This is a very big problem. We solve this, that means we find out that cube root of 32,768. So all we can divide these numbers with that 2 by 2, 768. So how we divide that? 16 2s are 32, then 3 2s are 6, then 8 2s are 16, and 4 2s are 8. In this way we find out, we solve that. 8 2s are 16, then 2 1s are 2, remaining that 1, then 9 2s are 18, and 2 2s are 4. Then again that 4 2s are 8, or 40 2s are 80, then again 9 2s are 18, that remain 1, that's having 6 2s are 12, and again that's having 20 2s are 40, then 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16, and again that 20 2s are 20, 10 2s are 20, then 2 2s are 4, and 4 2s are 8, and again that's having 5 2s are 10, then 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, and again that 25 2s are 50, then 6 2s are 12, then again that 12 2s are 24, then 8 2s are 1, remain that 8 2s are 16, then again 6 2s are 12, and 4 2s are 8, again that 3 2s are 6, and 2 2s are 4, again that's having 16 2s are 32, 8 2s are 16, then 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Means how many that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 total. That the pair of that having 2 is to make that 5 pair will make that. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5 we write here is cube root of, write down the pair, 2 into 2 into 2, this is a one pair, and 2 into 2 into 2 second pair, then 2 into 2 into 2 third pair, then 2 into 2 into 2 fourth pair, then 2 into 2 into 2, this is a fifth pair. Means we write here cube root of 2 raised to 3 into 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 2 raised to 3, means pair of that having 5. Means that cube and cube root get cancel, that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means that having 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, means our answer is a 32. Means we write that cube root of 32,768 is that 32. Means right here cube root of 32,768 is 30. Next question is that in 3.3 practice at 3.3, that is a simplify. How we simplify this number that's having a cube root of that 27 divided by 125. Means that first we will factorize this number, that cube root of, how we write that 27, that is a 3 into 3 into 3, means, and 125, that 5 into 5 into 5, means that cube root of 3 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3, and again that's having, we can write that cube root of 3 by 5 whole cube, means cube and cube root get cancelled and our answer is a 3 by 5. In this way we solve. The second number is that cube root of 16 divided by 54. Means how we write that 16 and 54? In this way, write, see here, 16 will write that 8 into 2, and 54 we write that 27 2. 27 2s, means these 2 get cancelled. Remain is that the cube root of 8 divided by 27. How we write that 8 and 27? So see here, cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 for 8 and 27, we write that 3 into 3 into 3, means that we write that cube root of 2 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3, means that we write that cube root of 2 by 3 whole cube, means that cube and cube root get cancelled and our answer is 2 by 3. In this way we solve. See here in this third question, that if cube root of 729 is 9, then cube root of 0.000729 what will be asked. So we write that cube root of 0.000729 is equal to that we write that cube root of 729, write that in upper side, and we get cancel that this decimal number, and we write that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, means we write that 1000 and 000. For in place of that decimal, we can cancel that decimal and we can write that in denominator, that 1 and 00006 60 will be placed here. Okay, now we write that cube root of 729 upon, we write that, how we write that, this 100 into 100 into 100, so that we can write that cube root of 729 upon 100 in cube root, means that is a means in place of 729 we write that 9. Why? Because they will be given that cube root of 207 is 9, and upon that we write 100, means that we cancel this 00 and we write that 0.09, means what, that cube root of 0.000729, we write that 0.09.